Good morning, children. I am Teacher Ari from Dragonfly Kiddyland Kulim. Children, how are you today? Good. I'm fine, thank you. Children, today Teacher Ari going to continue with the subtraction. Do you remember how we do the subtraction? Yes, children. Children, now we are going to sing our fishy song. Okay, come, let's sing. 5 little fishes swimming in the sea. Teasing Mr. Shark, you cannot catch me. Along came the shark. The shark eat one fish already. So now there is a 5 fish. Now 1 fish the shark already eat. How many fish left, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now sing again. 4 little fishes swimming in the sea. Teasing Mr. Shark, you cannot catch me. Along came the shark. Oh, the shark ate 1 more fish. Now, left how many fish? Yes, 3 more. 1, 2, 3. How many left? 3. Now we continue. 3 little fishes swimming in the sea. Teasing Mr. Shark, you cannot catch me. Along came the shark. Eat the fish already. Now left how many fish? 2 more. Okay, now we are going to sing again. 2 little fishes swimming in the sea. Teasing Mr. Shark, you cannot catch me. Along came the shark. Oh no, the shark ate 1 more fish. Left how many fish? 1. Okay, children, now Teacher Ari believes that you can sing this fishy song and you know how the shark eat the fish. Yes, very good. Now we want to see what is our activity today. Are you ready today? Okay, come, let's go and see our activity today. Children, before we start our activity today, Teacher Ari want you to do counting for me. Okay, show your fingers. Now we are going to count 0 to 10. Okay, children, are you ready? Show your finger now. Where's your fingers? Where's your hand? Close all your fingers. Okay, now let's read. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers, children? 10 fingers. Very good. Now we continue our activity.